Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about classification of joints, muscles and their movements. The entire human body is a framework of skeleton, muscles and skin. There are 206 bones that make up the adult skeletal system of human being. There are 650 muscles which are responsible for movement, and even the smallest motion require at least two muscles which work in opposite direction. See, in this machine there are different kind of joints are there. Because of these joints, this machine is able to perform in different directions on different tasks. In the same way, when we make this puppet, in this puppet also there are different joints, and because of these joints only we are able to move this puppet in a different direction. In the similar way, our body is also made up of different kind of the joints. See, all joints are not movable. There are some joints which are movable freely, there are some joints which are not movable at all, there are the joints which move slightly. So, with the help of these joints, with the help of bones and muscles, we are able to perform different functions. Now, how these joints helps us in movement and what is the role of muscles that we are going to discuss in this video. Now, what is joint? Joint is a point of contact between two bones, between bones and cartilage, between teeth and bones. So there are different kind of joints. We have joints in hand. Here we have joint that is called gliding joint. In knee we have joint that can move in one direction only, that is hinge joint. In ankle region we have joint, that's why we are able to move ankle. We have joint in fingers, because of that we are able to move our toes. We have the joints in our fingers of our hand, that is called interphalangeal joints. We have joints in hips, we have joints in elbow, we have joints in shoulder. So we can say the entire body have number of joints, and because of these joints we are able to do different movement or locomotion. Now, first understand what is the difference between movement and locomotion. See, if this skeleton is able to move its hand from this direction to this direction, that is a movement. And if we are able to move this skeleton, I mean, ये तो मैंने ऐसे आपको समझाने के लिए कर दिया, but if we are able to do so, it means that when we when we shift from one place to another, जब हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह move करते हैं, that is locomotion. When we are dancing, that time we are having movement as well as locomotion, because we are shifting our body from one place to another place, as well as we are moving our body parts in different directions. Now there are two kind of the muscles. One is the muscle that band a joint, that is called flexor muscle. This one is a flexor muscle which helps in the bending of this part. Okay. Muscles that strengthen a joint are called extensor, जो उसको सीधा करने में हेल्प करती है. ठीक है, that is called extensor muscle. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Extensor muscle. I hope you heard about biceps and triceps. Bicep and triceps, these flexor and extensor muscles are called biceps and triceps. So this flexor muscle helps in bending, and this extensor muscle helps in strengthening. Okay. Now let's understand what are the different kind of joints. On the basis of function or the movement of the degree, we have three kind of joints, and on the basis of structure also we are having three kind of joints. So we can say that basically we have classified joints into two categories. One that is on the basis of their structure, and one that is on the basis of their function. So on the basis of function, we have three kind of joints. One is immovable joint. This is immovable joint. Now what is immovable joint? Immovable joint is a joint which do not allow any movement. Example, suture. इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स वो जॉइंट्स होते हैं जो बिल्कुल कोई मूवमेंट में हेल्प नहीं करते हैं, यानी कि जो जिनके अंदर कोई मूवमेंट नहीं होती है, दैट इज फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर कहाँ होते हैं? ब्रेन में. Now look in this diagram, you can see these sutures. ये जो ब्रेन में, मैंने आपको पिछली वीडियो में भी बताया था, we used to say दिमाग में क्रैक है क्या? सबके दिमाग में क्रैक होता है. ये जो जॉइंट्स हैं दिमाग के अंदर, these are called sutures and they are immovable. बच्चों, when the child is in the mother womb, that time brain is just like a jelly like substance. एंड लेटर ऑन, जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं, जैसे जैसे हमारी ग्रोथ होने लगती है इन्फेंसी स्टेज में, धीरे धीरे हमारी बोन्स कॉम्पैक्ट होने लगती हैं, हमारी बोन्स डेंस होने लगती हैं, एंड फाइनली वी हैव अ बोनी स्ट्रक्चर इन स्कल. Okay, similarly, we have partially movable bones, that is where the very slight movement is there, that is the movement between the vertebrae. जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर वर्टिब्री होती है, उनके अंदर जो मूवमेंट है, दैट इज अ पार्शली मूवेबल जॉइंट. ये देखिए, ये जो वर्टिब्रीज हैं, इनके अंदर जो मूवमेंट है, दिस इज अ पार्शली मूवेबल. इनके अंदर मूवमेंट होती है बट कंपैरेटिवली कम मूवमेंट होती है. The third is freely movable joint. Freely movable joint is a joint of elbow, joint of hip joint. Okay, so this is freely movable. This one is freely movable. You can move in freely. I mean, this one can move in one direction but can move freely. उसको मूव करने के लिए आपको कोई बहुत एफर्ट नहीं करना है. नी, दिस इज अ फ्रीली मूवेबल. शोल्डर में जो है, दिस इज फ्रीली मूवेबल जॉइंट. Now on the basis of structure, there are basically two kind of the joints. One, those who are having synovial cavity, and one, those who are not having synovial cavity. So plus synovial cavity के plus minus के ऊपर, if synovial cavity is present and if the synovial cavity is not present. If synovial cavity is not present, we have two kind of joints. One is fibrous joint and one is cartilaginous joint. Now, fibrous joint, in this joint, synovial cavity is absent. ये यहाँ पर है बच्चों, एक सेकेंड. In fibrous joint, synovial cavity is absent. ये माइनस टी जो लिखा हुआ है, ये absent के लिए है. Fibrous connective tissue is present. अब synovial cavity क्या है? Synovial cavity is the gap. See this, the gap between two bones. This is one bone. This is the another bone. The gap between these two bones, that is called synovial cavity. If this synovial cavity is present, that is called synovial joint. If this cavity is absent, then it is not, that is a fibrous joint. तो fibrous joint क्या होता है? ये वाले जो bone के अंदर joints हैं, ये fibrous joint है because there is no gap and fibrous connective tissue is present. The another one is cartilaginous joint. Synovial cavity absent again and cartilage is present. इनके अंदर क्या होता है? Between two vertebrae there is cartilage. So look here, between these two vertebrae, in vertebrae के बीच में cartilage present है. Cartilage is a kind of cushion के जैसे काम करता है. That is present and because of that they are called cartilaginous joint. Now synovial joint is a joint where the synovial cavity is present, like in elbow, in shoulder, in knee, in wrist. That is called synovial joint. Okay. Now let's understand the synovial joint कैसा होता है. A joint having synovial cavity which is filled with synovial fluid is called synovial joint. See, this is one bone. ये एक bone है आपका, and this is the another bone. Now look here. Whenever we have two bones, the one bone will have a convex figure. ये जो bone है, इसका एक convex side होगा, and the another bone will be have a depression, that is a concave side. इसके अंदर concave side होगा. Okay, these two bones are called articulating bone, जो आपस में जुड़ी हैं. The cartilage present at their end are called articular cartilage. So this one is called articular cartilage. Okay. There is a cavity that is called synovial cavity, and the synovial cavity is filled with a fluid that is called synovial fluid. Synovial fluid it acts as a lubricating ऑयल के जैसे काम करता है. जैसे आपकी साइकिल के अंदर आप lubricant डालते हो, so your bicycle can move easily. उसके अंदर friction reduce हो जाता है. In the same way, here we have synovial cavity, where the synovial fluid is present, which act as a lubricant. I hope you people have heard about zero figure, और बहुत सारे celebrities are there, those who are not taking fat rich diet, or they are taking fat free diet. See, it's good to take fat free diet, but it's not good to take fat no fat in the diet. That is absolutely wrong. Otherwise क्या होगा, ये synovial cavity के अंदर fluid नहीं deposit होगा. Fluid deposit नहीं होगा तो आपके joint के अंदर friction होगा. You feel difficulty in movement. Okay, this is another compact bone area. This is the spongy bone area. This is the bone marrow. Already we have discussed in one of the video. We have two kind of bone marrow. One is the red bone marrow, where RBC, WBC are produced, and another one is a yellow bone marrow, where the fat is deposited. This is the synovial membrane. ये synovial membrane है. Around it there is a capsule-like structure that is called joint capsule, which enclose these two bones, and both of these two bones are connected with the help of ligaments. ये दोनों जो bones हैं वो ligament से जुड़ी हुई हैं. Now what is a ligament? Ligament क्या है? Ligament is tissue. It is a connective tissue which is made up of yellow fiber से मिलकर बना होता है. It connects to bones. Okay. So what is ligament? Ligament is connective tissue made up of yellow fiber. Okay. It is elastic or inelastic? It is elastic. We have done in chapter tissue, I think so, where we have learned कि वो yellow fiber का बना होता है, इसलिए they are free to move in any of the direction, and ये किसके बने होते हैं? Elastic tissue होते हैं, connective tissue होते हैं. Okay. Now synovial cavity में एक और चीज आपको यहाँ पर synovial joint में पता होना चाहिए. There is a different types of synovial joint, like gliding joint, hinge joint, pivot joint. In our knee, we have synovial joint, and there are two joints basically in knee. Three joints basically in knee. One is a gliding joint, which is between the kneecap and femur के बीच में होता है. And the another one is hinge joint, which can move in one direction, laterally between tibia and femur, and medially between tibia and femur. Tibia and femur. Femur is the longest bone. Okay. And tibia and fibula are the lower bones. See, this is the entire structure of synovial joint. Now, there are different kind of synovial joint. First is gliding joint. Gliding joint is present between vertebrocostal, that is sliding motion in all direction. जो हल्का हल्का मोशन कर सकते हैं ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट, वो होता है. ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट इज जनरली प्रेजेंट इन रिस्ट, हमारे हथेलियों में होता है. हिंज जॉइंट दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन एल्बो, दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन नी, where the extension are all in one plane, that they can move in one direction. जैसे गेट के अंदर हिंज होते हैं, and that gate can open in one direction. In the similar way, they can move in one direction. Pivot joint is in the neck region, that is in cervical C1 and C2. C1 is the cervical 1 vertebrae, C2 is cervical 2 vertebrae, that is called atlas and axis. They can rotate of one bone around its axis. वो axis के चारों तरफ घुमा सकते हैं. Side by side में movement हो सकती है, up and down movement हो सकती है. आप गर्दन से या तो हाँ कर सकते हैं या तो ना कर सकते हैं, यही movement होती है ना. The another one is saddle joint. Saddle joint is flexion, extension, adduction, circumduction, but no rotation. Saddle joint जो होते हैं उनके अंदर rotation बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती है. You know what is यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेडल? सेडल लाइक काठी, जैसे हम एक घोड़े के ऊपर काठी बांधते हैं, उसके जैसे सेडल होता है, जहां पर आपको एक बैक के ऊपर हमने उसको बांध दिया होता है, उस तरीके से सेडल जॉइंट होते हैं. तो सेडल जॉइंट इज वन ऑफ द साइनोवियल जॉइंट where one of the bone forming the joint is shaped like a saddle, saddle के जैसे जो टॉप बनाएगी, with the other bone resting on it, दूसरी बोन उसके ऊपर रेस्ट करती होती है. Similarly we have ellipsoidal joint that is in wrist, again जिसके अंदर रिस्ट के अंदर कोई रोटेशन नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है, जो रिस्ट के जो आपके कार्पल्स और मेटाकार्पल्स के अंदर होते हैं. And we have ball and socket joint which can move in all directions. So synovial joint is the major joint where the all movements and locomotion is possible. Okay, now look on this. First let's discuss about the gliding joint. Gliding joint is present in this foot region as well as in the wrist region. ये यहाँ पर जो bones हैं, these are tarsals, metatarsals. Similarly here we have carpals, metacarpals. A gliding joint, also known as plane joint or planar joint, that is a common type of synovial joint formed between bones that meet at flat or nearly flat articulated surface पर होते हैं. ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट्स जो है एक दूसरे के ऊपर ग्लाइड करते हैं, यानी कि ये अप एंड डाउन मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं, ये लेफ्ट एंड राइट मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं, ये डायगोनली मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, this is the hinge joint. Hinge joint is present between femur and tibia and femur and fibula. ये देखिए, जैसे ये एक दरवाजे का ये यहाँ पर क्या है, ये हिंज है. इट कैन मूव इन वन डायरेक्शन ओनली. सिमिलरली इस तरीके से किसी चीज में हिंज लगा होता है, इट कैन मूव इन वन डायरेक्शन ओनली. ओके, hinge joint is present in fingers also. You can move your fingers in one direction. आप अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में तो फिंगर को मूव नहीं करते ना. सो इंटरफेरेंजियल जॉइंट्स आर आल्सो हिंज जॉइंट्स. पैर की जो उंगलियां होती हैं, टोज के अंदर भी हिंज जॉइंट प्रेजेंट होता है. दिस इज रेडियस, दिस वन इज अल्ना, सॉरी दिस वन इज रेडियस, दिस वन इज अल्ना, एंड दिस इज द ह्यूमरस. सो ह्यूमरस और अल्ना के बीच में एंड ह्यूमरस और रेडियस के बीच में जो एल्बो जॉइंट है, that joint is also hinge joint and that can move only in one direction. Now pivot joint is present in cervical region, that is in neck region. See how neck can rotate. It can move in this way, ये इस तरीके से मूव कर सकते हैं. आप इसको स्लाइटली पीछे मोड़ सकते हैं, आगे मोड़ सकते हैं. First two vertebra of cervical region are known as atlas bone and axis bone. Atlas is also known as yes bone because जिस तरीके से आप हाँ करने के लिए अपने सिर को नोट करते हैं, that is because of atlas. And when you are nodding your head for no, ना करने के लिए जब आप अपने सर को हिलाते हैं साइड बाय साइड, that is because of axis. So this atlas and axis are performing pivot joint. Pivot joint have a ring of bone that fits over a bone protrusion around which it can rotate. यानी कि देखिए ये एटलस है, तो एटलस के अंदर एक रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है, एंड दिस वन इज एक्सिस, और एक्सिस का ये जो प्रोसेसेस है ये एटलस के अंदर फिक्स है. ठीक है, द जॉइंट बिटवीन द एटलस एंड एक्सिस इन द नेक which allow you to shake your head for no or for yes, it is because of pivot joint. Okay, then we are having ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint is a joint which can move in all direction. See, this is your femur bone. Femur is the longest bone of your leg, of your body, even you can see. This is the head of femur. ये femur का head है. And here we have a cavity that is called acetabulum cavity. And this is the hip joint. In hip, there is a cavity that is called acetabulum. And in this cavity, a head of femur is fixed. It can move in all direction. And that joint is called ball and socket joint. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ball and socket joint. This is shoulder bone. That is pectoral girdle का part है. Scapula. This is the cavity of scapula that is called glenoid cavity. This is the head of humerus and this is the humerus bone. तो ह्यूमरस के हेड के बीच में और स्कैपुला के ग्लिनोइड कैविटी के बीच में भी देयर इज अ बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट. अब यहाँ आप ध्यान से देखिए, ये फीमोरल बोन का ये बॉल पॉइंट है, कॉन्वेक्स सरफेस है, ये इसका कनकेव सरफेस है जो कि कैविटी के फॉर्म में, ये इसके अंदर इस तरीके से फिक्स होता है. जब किसी के पैर आपने सुना होगा आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब लगाते हैं, तो ये आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब इस तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं. ये आर्टिफिशियल लिम्ब यहाँ लगा दिए जाते हैं पैर में, जो किसी को चलने में फिरने में उतना ही सपोर्ट करते हैं जितना एक नॉर्मल पैर करता है. हाँ, डेफिनेटली देयर आर सम इश्यूज एंड those people, those who are having artificial limbs, they can understand in a better way, but फिर भी उनको एक काफी बड़ी हेल्प हो जाती है. See, this one is also a bone. ये आपका हिप, ये आपकी हिप बोन है और ये इसका हेड है फीमर का जो इसमें इस तरीके से फिक्स है. आई होप इस डायग्राम से आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. नाउ दीज आर द डिफरेंट जॉइंट्स जो हमने आज डिस्कस किए हैं. So we have discussed gliding joint, we have discussed hinge joint, we have discussed pivot joint, and we have discussed ball and socket joint. Now, what is the important to learn in this entire video? What are the different location of joints, and what is their function, and what kind of movement performed by these joints? So, I am sum up with this thought in this video that we have discussed different kind of joints today, and to have strong joints is the prime responsibility or prime need of any individual. For that, few things are required: a good diet, definitely a calcium rich diet, and routine exercise. See, आपको अब ये समझ आ रहा होगा कि if we are doing exercise, then there are one thing, the best part is we are not allowing to deposit any kind of fat here, and we allow the free movement, and as we allow the free movement we reduce the friction. So with this thought, I say goodbye for this video, and in next video we are going to discuss about different types of muscles and how these muscles helps in movement and locomotion. Till then, take care. Goodbye.